Hey guys, this skin cleansing routine is designed for acne-prone and oily skin. It helps remove blackheads, reduce excess oil, and support healthy skin texture. This method is commonly used in professional skincare treatments. 1. Understanding your skin, the foundation of all skincare. Before any cleanser touches your face, before any acne product is applied, it is essential to understand what skin actually is and how it behaves daily. Human skin is not a simple surface. It is a living, breathing organ, the largest organ of the body, working continuously to protect you from environmental damage, bacteria, dehydration, and toxins. Your skin has 3 primary layers. 1. Epidermis, outer layer, acts as the protective shield, controls moisture loss, contains pores and surface cells, where acne, pigmentation, and texture issues appear. 2. Dermis, middle layer, holds collagen and elastin, determines firmness and elasticity. Damage here causes wrinkles and scarring. 3. Hypodermis, deep layer, fat and connective tissue, provides insulation and support. Most skincare works only on the epidermis, which is why gentle cleansing and consistency matter more than aggressive treatments. 2. Skin types explained. Critical step: never skip. Every skincare routine must start with identifying skin type. Using the wrong routine can worsen acne, dryness, or oiliness. Normal skin, balanced oil and hydration. Rare breakouts, small pores, oily skin. Excess sebum production, enlarged pores. Prone to acne and blackheads, dry skin, tight feeling. Flakiness, dull. Appearance combination skin, oily T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, dry or normal cheeks. Sensitive skin, redness, burning, or stinging. Reacts easily to products. And cold. Acne can exist on important. Acne can exist on any skin type, even dry skin. 3. What really causes acne? Acne is not dirt. This is one of the biggest skincare myths. Acne develops due to 4 main factors. 1. Excess oil, sebum. 2. Dead skin cell buildup. 3. Clogged pores. 4. Acne-causing bacteria, Cutibacterium aces. Additional triggers include hormonal changes, stress, poor sleep, diet, high glycemic foods, incorrect skincare products. 4. The role of cleansing in skin health. Cleansing is the foundation of every skincare routine. A good cleanser removes dirt, oil, pollution, preserves the skin barrier, prepares skin for treatments. A bad cleanser strips natural oils, disrupts pH balance, triggers more oil production. 5. Skin pH and why it matters. Healthy skin pH, 4.5, 5.5. Slightly acidic, high pH cleansers, damage the barrier, increase acne bacteria, cause dryness and irritation. Always choose low pH or pH balance cleansers. 6. How often should you cleanse? Morning. Removes overnight oil and sweat. Prepares skin for sunscreen, night. Removes pollution, sunscreen. Makeup. Prevents clogged pores. Cleansing more than 2 times daily. Usually causes irritation. 7. Water temperature matters. Hot water, strips oils. Cold water doesn't cleanse properly. Cleans properly. Thus warm water ideal. 8. Hands, towels, and hygiene. Wash hands before touching face. Use a clean, soft towel. Cane, never rub. Dirty towels can reintroduce bacteria, worsening acne. 9. Cleansing myths. You must stop believing. Cough foaming means cleaner skin. Huffed, squeaky clean is good. Huffed, scrubs cure acne. More washing equals less acne. All false. 10. Preparing for the daily routine. Before moving to advanced steps, your skin must tolerate gentle cleansing. Maintain hydration. Feel comfortable after washing. If your skin feels tight, cleanser too harsh, oily quickly, barrier damaged, red, over-cleansing. 1. Why proper face cleansing matters more than any product. Face cleansing is the most important step in skincare. If cleansing is done incorrectly, no serum, acne treatment, or moisturizer will work properly. Cleansing determines how well your skin absorbs products, how balanced your oil production is, whether acne improves or worsens, the long-term strength of your skin barrier. Think of cleansing as preparing the soil before planting seeds. Healthy skin begins here. Morning cleansing routine 2. What happens to your skin overnight? While you sleep, your skin produces oil. Sweat accumulates. Dead skin cells shed. Bacteria multiply slightly. Even if you washed your face perfectly at night, morning cleansing is still necessary. However, morning cleansing must be gentler than night cleansing. Morning face cleansing. Step 1. Wash your hands first. This step is often ignored but extremely important. Your hands carry bacteria. Dirt oils touching your face with unwashed hands can transfer bacteria directly into pores. Wash hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Temperature matters more than people realize. Hot water strips oils and causes irritation. Cold water tightens pores temporarily and doesn't cleanse properly. Use lukewarm water. Splash gently. Step 3. Choose the right morning cleanser. Morning cleanser should be low pH 4.5.5 gentle non-stripping cleanser types. Morning. For oily/acne-prone skin, gel cleanser. Light foaming cleanser contains mild salicylic acid. Optionally, for dry, sensitive skin, cream cleanser. Milky cleanser. Non-foaming cleanser. For combination skin, gentle gel cleanser. Avoid harsh exfoliating cleansers in the morning. Step 4. Use the correct amount. Using too much cleanser dries out skin, wastes product. Using too little doesn't cleanse properly. Use a pea-sized to coin-sized amount. STAP-sized to coin-sized amount. STAPA. Massage gently, 30 to 60 seconds. This is where most people go wrong. Scrubbing hard. Hissing nails. Rushing. Stroke. Use fingertips only. Gentle circular motions. Focus on nose, chin, forehead. Massage time 30 seconds, minimum 60 seconds, ideal. This allows the cleanser to dissolve oil, lifted, clean pores safely. CAP6. Rinse thoroughly. Leftover cleanser residue can cause breakouts, irritation, dryness. Rinse until skin feels clean but comfortable. No slippery residue. Step 7. Pat dry. Never rub. Use clean, soft towel. Dedicated face towel. Pat gently. Morning cleansing mistakes to avoid. Skipping cleanser completely. Using strong acne cleanser daily. Overwashing oily skin. Using body soap on face. Night cleans router. And 5. Why night cleansing is non-negotiable. Throughout the day, your skin collects pollution, dust, sweat, oil, sunscreen, makeup. Sleeping without proper cleansing leads to clogged pores, acne, dull skin faster. Aging. Night cleansing should be more thorough than morning cleansing. 6. Double cleansing explained. Double cleansing means oil-based cleanser, water-based cleanser. This method is safe, effective, and acne-friendly when done correctly. 7. Why oil cleansers work, even for acne. Oil dissolves oil. This step removes sunscreen, makeup, excess sebum, pollution particles. Suitable for oily skin, acne-prone skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Oil cleansing does not clog pores when rinsed properly. 8. How to use an oil cleanser. Start with dry face and dry hands. Take 1-2 pumps. Massage gently for 60 seconds. Focus on nose, jawline, hairline. Add a little water to emulsify. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Your skin should feel clean, soft, not greasy. Step 2. Water-based cleanser. 9. Choosing the right night cleanser. Night cleanser can be slightly stronger than morning, but still gentle. For acne-prone skin, gel cleanser, mild salicylic acid, 0.52%. For dry, sensitive skin, cream or non-foaming cleanser. 10. How to use the second cleanser. Apply to wet skin. Massage gently for 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Pat dry. 11. After night cleansing. What your skin should feel like: cleaner, comfortable, no tightness. No burning of skin feels. Tight, cleanser too harsh, oily again, immediately. Barrier damaged red, word, cleansing. Special cleansing situations 12. Cleansing for active acne. Use gentle cleanser. Avoid scrubs. Void brushes. No squeezing. Inflamed acne needs calm, not aggression. 13. Cleansing for sensitive skin. Fragrance-free, minimal ingredients, no alcohol patch test always. 14. How often should you cleanse? Skin type: morning, night, oily. Yes, acne-prone. Yes, dry, optional. Yes, sensitive, gentle. Yes, sensitive, gentle. Tools you should and should not use: stock, clean hands, best tool, soft microfiber cloth, optional, facial brushes. Rough sponges. Scrubbing pads 16. Cleansing and skin barrier health. Over-cleansing damages the skin barrier, leading to more acne, more oil sensitivity breakouts. Healthy skin is balanced, not stripped. Thank you for taking time to care for your skin today.